everybody. It's Kimberly here from Glacier Hollow Farm. By now, if you've been following me, you probably think I have a little addiction to stuff and things. I do love to film video, and so that's why I'm doing this unboxing of the Diety V-Lav microphone. And this is the microphone and that's my dog in the background, Dami. She has a lot to say too. Here she is, the V-Lav. This one I bought is for my Android, for my Samsung Galaxy. It does not require a dongle. It will plug directly into my Android, so I'm really grateful for that. I know a lot of the iPhones you have to get a dongle, or you can't use it because the newer phones don't come with a jack for your headphones. So here it is. This is what you get. You get this great little carrying case. It's got a thing to put on probably on your camera case, which is what I need to do, is attach it to my backpack that I carry all my gear in. They give you a screen, a wind screen, or it could be a bunny tail, I'm not sure which. They give you an extra wind screen, and this is a really long cable. In fact, I'm not going to unravel it all because, well, good grief. Actually, I'm going to pin it on, and then I will end up hooking it up to my phone, and we'll take it for a test drive and see how it works. But it's super long. How long is it? My goodness. It says it's got low self-noise, multi-device compatibility, long battery life, working status indication. Now this will work with your iPhone too, as long as you have a dongle for it if it's a newer iPhone, okay? This is 5 meters long, this wire, so you can get pretty far from your camera and use it. So I don't know, I'm thinking about checking it out and using it, but I'm so close I don't think we have to. But anyways, that's the unboxing of it. Am I happy with it? Yes. Was the price great? Absolutely. I bought it on Amazon Prime. I love Amazon Prime because I get free shipping and it's fast. Like, I ordered this, I had it the next day. So I'm super thrilled. I'll do another video really soon where I'm outside in the wind, and we'll see just how wonderful this great product is. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye.